Today I am reviewing the unlock service because, as everyone knows, having a locked phone is not a fun time. Okay, firstly I contacted my service provider, which is giffgaff, who incidentally I would really recommend, and they pointed me to Unlocks, who have a very simple website. You go to the website, you put in your phone maker model, and they email you with a code, which the email kind of looks like this. As you can see, the model of my phone. You can only enter the supplied code once because problems. There will be problems. Okay, let's have a look at the rest of the instructions. That doesn't apply to me. That doesn't apply to me. Right, okay, forget all those. Those things don't apply to me. Okay. If the device prompts SIM network unlock pin or enter NP code or similar, go directly to step 5. I didn't need that one either, really. Enter the supplied code carefully and then press OK, accept, unlock, if available. Certainly. Let's give that a go now. And I'm doing this very carefully and upside down. But it's worth it so that you can see exactly what I'm doing. Have I got the numbers right? Now, because I have to make sure that we don't mess this up, I'm just going to double check the numbers. So we've got 6 4 4 4 8 5 4 9 1 5 5 4 3 1 0 7. Okay. Requesting SIM service provider unlock successful. Oh wow. Wasn't that simple? Oh, that works so fast. Can you believe how fast that worked? Okay, what do I have to do? Restart the phone. That could be simpler, I suppose. I'm excited now. I can't believe how simple this was. This isn't like one of the newest phones available, so it will take a while to boot up, which is a shame because of how quickly it took to unlock. Did you see that? I can't take the suspense. Come on, phone, tell me, is it true? Are you really unlocked? Speak to me, phone. Miracle of miracles. Well, thank you very much for joining me on this review of the unlock service. Everything you've seen today, links as always will be in the description. And thank you for watching.